你妈的太不是 is black. I don't think he'll be happy. I also very friendly, you know.
We are only following our orders.
What's the two countries?
We have no intention of doing that. Like you are.
你跟他讲，我现在有我，我到他那边去行不行？你问他我很友好。And my colonel wants. 我现在过去行不行 ？Ask you if I drive the car to that she buses is okay?
No, that's not the point. The point is that India is, as per Indian law, is our border between is 50.
啊！你妈的，给我别过！你跟他讲，
that point in
现在你妈给我过，否则有事今天你妈直接后果他们知道。
Okay, if that area is disputed, you have to raise.
I just want to tell you one
same
word.
we will raise. Okay, if we are given orders, we have to hit that point. Then we have to hit. We have no other option. Okay, if you have
My
given
colonel
some
wants
orders, you have to follow the
just
same
want to
order.
tell you one word.
Yeah. Okay.
Tell the two countries go back right now.
I'll
go
sort.
back right.
We will go right.
If
We have no
if
intention
I have any argument, you will undertake the consequence, you know.
See, we are not here for argument or we are not here for fighting. Okay, India is very friendly country.
不想打这是不问。
We will go back. But the point is the way you are hitting
你
our
那讲老子今天非打死吃不？
that's very wrong. Okay, that's not the way.
If you don't want to fight each other.
See, if we have any miscommunication, if we have some way, so we can talk. Okay, instead of hitting the vehicle, and that's a big loss. Okay,
老子不喜欢他们。
again, we are go back right now. We are going right. Okay, we are going right
My
now.
colonel don't want to.
We are already going. It's your vehicle that come in front of us. That's why we stop.
你们今天我非打吃不？
Okay.
你说他妈的，今天我现在过了，他们给他讲，他妈的保持有，不然今天他们都死到这地方。妈的！
Commander is talking loudly. I told him that we will go back. So you are expecting.
सर प्लीज क्लिक फोटोग्राफ सर ऐसे लगाओ हाँ बाहर मानो और बंदे निकालो सारे पकड़ लो Ravedi, I'm telling you again, this is not the way. Please, don't use force. पकड़ ले इतने आदमी और आदमी बुलाओ पे No, Ravedi, no. I'm telling you, don't do it. Please, stop it. No. ओए मदद चोट अगर वो हिल गया ना यार बंदा बनाओ पूरी कंपनी को बनाओ पूरी कंपनी को बनाओ पाँच कर पूरी कंपनी को बनाओ कंपनी को बनाओ जल्दी को पकड़ लो No, doing it. Don't do it. No, you are doing it. You are pushing. We are saying not to go ahead. कश्मीर पकड़ ले बात ले बस निकल जाने को ओ तुम इनके फोटो भी खींचो पकड़ते हुए ये देखो ही होल्डिंग भी ऐसे खींची तक ये होल्ड जस्ट क्लिक हाँ क्लिक Get your officer to behave. Hey, leave it. खड़े रहो सारे हाँ जैसे मैं सुनो जैसे मैं खड़ा हूँ ना वैसे खड़े रहो